Alright, let's look at some more similes then. They fought like cats and dogs. Fighting, very ferocious, very relentless. Wow. Like cats and dogs. He is as funny as a barrel of monkeys. A very funny person, very cheerful. Very cheerful. Very cheerful and welcoming, maybe. Welcoming. Cheerful and welcoming. This house is as clean as a whistle. That's quite a common one, actually. Clean as a whistle. Very clean. Clean as a whistle. This house is as clean as a whistle. This room is as clean as a whistle. This room is as clean as a whistle. How cool is that? The place is very clean. Makes sense. Your explanation is as clear as mud. Now a little sarcastic here. So, as clear as water. Clear as water, you can see through it. As clear as mud. You can't see through it. So really, not clear at all. Not clear at all. How cool is that? Your explanation was not very well understood. Not clear at all. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. That guy is as nutty as a fruitcake. Someone crazy. As nutty as a fruitcake. He's as crazy as a fruitcake. Crazy. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So they fought like cats and dogs, very ferocious, relentlessly. Funny as a barrel of monkeys. Clean as a whistle. Very good. Clear as mud. Yeah, not very clear. Nutty as a fruitcake. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.